Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
It's a couple of hours based, right? If you're watching News 5 today, this morning, around 6 a.m., you couldn't see a whole lot of the campus at UVA-Wise. Now we can actually see the campus buildings down on our camera here, located at the Math Computer Science building. So if you were trying to land at the Tri-Cities Airport, well, if you were a Delta flight, you probably weren't getting in. But Allegiant managed to get in this morning through the fog. It was kind of a little bit of an interesting approach. So I'll put the full video up on my Facebook page here in just a couple of minutes. But a neat approach to watching that airplane come out of the fog and then land in the Tri-Cities Airport there on ILS approach. Notice a little bit of the fog still around across portions of Southwest Virginia this afternoon. I don't think it's going to be as widespread or thick as it was this morning, but notice as we go into the 5, 6, 7 o'clock time frame, once the sun starts to set, we allow the temperatures to cool off again. We're likely going to see a little more fog form through the overnight hours. So this afternoon, we'll see generally nicer conditions, but once again, Tuesday morning, keep in mind that fog will likely be around as you head off to work or maybe head off to school on Tuesday morning, and then once again decreases as we go into the afternoon on Tuesday. And Tuesday afternoon looks pretty nice. This afternoon, looking for temperatures generally in the upper 40s to low 50s. I think we'll generally reach around 50 to 51 across the metro, going for around 50 degrees across Southwest Virginia with some of that fog starting to burn off and then move out, just left with the clouds around this afternoon. Clouds tonight as well, so that'll allow temperatures to stay a little bit warmer than our average this time of the year. 40 in Lebanon, how about 40 in Kingsport, 41 in Bristol, and 41 in Johnson City as well. Several chances for rain over the next couple of days. Timing it out for you late Tuesday is when the first shot of rain is going to reach our area. So late tomorrow into Wednesday. Some of that rain could be locally heavy at times as well. Check out the yellow here indicating pockets of moderate to heavy rain at times as we go into Wednesday. So it looks like rainfall totals could be on the range, maybe about a quarter to a half an inch, if not a little bit more in some spots. Then we get a break on Thursday with rain chances decreasing, but increasing once again on Friday and then into Saturday as well as this frontal system kind of approaches our area and then it starts to move out of our area, but starts to stall a little bit too. And that's going to play a key in our forecast for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Check out your 7-day forecast here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures nice and warm, at least on tomorrow. 50 degrees on Wednesday with those rain showers around. Winter officially beginning on Thursday. How about 56 degrees for the first day of winter? Not too shabby, right? Friday into Saturday, some showers moving in once again. There's that Christmas Eve forecast I was talking about. 30% chance for some showers right now with temperatures in the mid-50s, and it's all going to depend on the placement of that cold front. Our models, a little bit of a flip-flop from time to time over the past couple of runs. The European model from last night, it's only run twice a day, has a lot of the moisture west of us, and the freezing line, this little blue line running right through here, far west of us. The GFS model, on the other hand, as we go into Monday, has some moisture over us, and right through here, the freezing line, maybe giving us a chance for a little bit of wintry precipitation on Christmas Day. Here's the problem, though. It's still 7 days away from Christmas, and forecast models aren't very accurate 7 days away because a small little thing, such as like a change in how the storm enters the United States, the amount of energy it has with it, a couple of temperature degree differences, aren't usually able to be narrowed out until we get a little closer. I always compare it to taking a final exam, right? If you take the final exam on the first day of class, you're probably not going to get every answer right on the test. You may get some right, but you're probably not going to get every single one. So, of course, what we'll do here is keep refining our forecast to get a little bit closer to the Christmas holiday. And I think by Wednesday, we should have a pretty good handle on what Christmas is going to be like, and of course, Christmas Eve as well. You can get the latest forecast anytime online using our Storm Track 5 mobile app or our website or on social media. Lots of ways to stay updated and stay informed as we're getting into Christmas a week away.
Well, you guys are going to have a busy week. I know you guys have been looking at that pretty intensely, just trying to figure out which model it's really going to lean
it's
toward.
funny. Some people always want a white Christmas. I'm not sure meteorologists want white Christmas because it means we have more work on Christmas. The days most people have off and, don't have to work as hard. I think snow may make us work a little harder. So.
Well, we'll know a little bit more coming up later in the week, though. Great. Thanks so much, Ricky.